cabin, and this is Jyn's first time going for a walk to get in the lake. I believe she's taking herself for a walk. She's following Gabby to the lake. We see the lake. There it is. We're still going. We got a little spot we gotta get to. We always have to stop and smell something. We're so close. Here's a little swimming pit. There we go. She doesn't know. Ash.
She's got a surfboard.
No. Okay. Yeah, she can get in. It's her first time. Her first time. Here, I'll take her off. Jordan. What you doing, Jyn?
I don't have Crocs or anything.
Hi.
Gabby! What is Gabby doing?
She puts it in.
How can't we put her in?
Just wait.
Gabby!
Let Jyn have her moment.
Oh! Look up. No, Gabby. Swim. Gabby, stop it.
Jyn's first time. She's not sure about her crazy big sister, Gabby. What are you doing, Gabby? You swimming? Huh? What's she doing, Jyn, huh?
Don't shake, don't shake, don't shake.
What is that, Jyn? What is that? Look at her little butt.
Hey, she just jumped off that ledge right into the water.
The puppy.
She just swam.
So little tiny.
Then big dog.
It looks like a lion.
Who is it? Go get her.
Go get it.
And she's around the corner.
A drowned rat. You look like a drowned rat. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Huh? Oh, she wants to run around. This is after her first swim. Come on. Shaky, shaky, huh? Here she comes. Here she comes. What are you doing? She's like wants to get in but doesn't want to get in. Come on, Jyn.
I wet my pants.
Come on. You look like a drowned rat. Come on. Why don't you get Gabby? Get Gabby. Hey, go get Gabby. Go get her.